very much different than Ladakhi. So 98% Baltistan is in Pakistan right now. Only 2% is India, which is Tutu. So this type of architecture and tradition are very rare in India, because 98% is in Baltistan and 2% is here. So we are Balti. So this is the map of Jammu and Kashmir. The green line called Baltistan. This whole area called Baltistan. A dynasty, Yapur dynasty, ruled this area about 2000 years. One of the king of this dynasty named Turab Khan built this palace as a summer palace here in Turtuk in 15th century. His permanent palace was in Thapulu, now it is in Pakistan. He built because that time Turtuk used to be center of Silk Road. You can go Turtuk to Leh to Tipper. You can go Turtuk to China to Central Asia by this route. This route is in Pakistan. You can go Turtuk to Kargil to Srinagar. This is in India. And you can go Turtuk to Afghanistan. So in summer, so many traders and merchants come and used to stay here in Turtuk, and the king collect taxes from the traders. So he built this as a summer palace to collect taxes from the traders. And also the word Turtuk has been derived from a Balti word. Tuktuk, it means to stay here. Yeah. So you came from Leh, Khardungla, Khalsar, Diskit, Kundar. Now you are in here, Turtuk. Before 1971, Turtuk was also part of Pakistan. After war, India took 4 villages: Chulungkha, Turtuk, Tiakshi Thang, which is in Turtuk block. So the culture and the tradition and the people of Turtuk is very much different than Ladakhi culture. So this type of architecture is very rare in India also. So from this map, this Aksai Chan red line part called this is in China. China took this part in 1962 war. This is in Pakistan, SPOK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and actually India has this part. And this is Pangong Lake, 25% in India, 75% in China. This is Shayok River, the grey river that you follow, the grey river, origin from China and flow and goes to Pakistan. And this is Indus River, origin from Tibet. And this also flow towards Pakistan and meet here and flow down to Arabian Sea. And this is there will be the Sangam. Did you visit the meeting point of
The confluence.
Yeah,
between the
Zanskar,
one
yeah,
river.
Zanskar River and the Indus River here. And Siachen Glacier will be here. China, Pakistan, and India border here. And K2, second highest mountain peak, K2 is here in POK, Pakistan. Yeah. So, there was in
तो मैं घर के पुराने बर्तन दिखाता हूँ।
चलो
Kundar was also part of Silk.
ध्यान से आना, अंधेरा है।
बर्तन तो उजाले में होंगे।
She said there's small windows there,
ये
so
देखो।
that the women can
look out, but the people can't see them.
not being sexist, but the view is much better from the men's.
Yeah.
living quarters.
चाय का घड़ा।
इतना बड़ा वैन चाय पीते रहते थे क्या पूरे दिन पता नहीं।
ऐसे करते थे विजय की तरह.
चलो आगे क्या है ये भी देख लो।
This is where the king used to address
Yeah.
his subjects.
हम लोग ज्यादा हैं और जगह कम है, बाहर आ जाओ।
So ये Ibex का ये कौन इंसान है? Ibex का mountain goat है, आगे produce होता है. You can see the ring on the horn. It represents the age of Ibex. हर साल इसका दो rings आते हैं. 2 rings means 1 year. But why the rings हमें पता चलता है कब तक.
अबे
प्लीज